Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Take a ride in the 2019 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a six-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, front, center, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, door courtesy lights.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.